Hello and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I'll be showing you how to build this semi-automatic pig farm, which provides you quite a bit of quite a bit of pork chops, cooked or raw, whichever way you like it. So how you work it is that you feed each pig once. Then let's move on to the next pair. You want to feed all of the pigs once each. Then you can see that baby pigs are falling down and getting funneled into here. Then once they're here, you can feed them to make them grow up, or you can just kill them and be done with it. I'll also show you how to make one that kills them with lava, so you get cooked pork chops instead, if you guys like that better. But I like the pork chops raw, because then you could use them to trade with the butcher, which we have down here. He trades. Well, he changed his profession, so we just gotta mind that. Place it back. He should change profession. Nope, looks like he's trade locked. But either way, you can change him to trade pork chops for emerald, and this one will every batch of baby pigs killed, gives you something to around 3 or 4 emeralds, which isn't that bad. But yeah, so let's get on with it, and I'll show you how to build it. So I'm gonna go find a flat area. Right here should be good. So first you want to start off by making a glass box like this, 1 block tall, 2 blocks in the middle. You don't have to do the corners, but I like to do them. Looks nicer that way. Then you want to cover the entire all of the blocks with slabs. The blocks don't have to be glass, it can be any block of your choice, but they do have to be slabs. The slabs are there to prevent the glass panes here from detecting this is a solid block, then connecting to it. Then you want to place glass over it, the slabs, or any block you want, but I'm using glass because it looks nice. Then do another layer just like that. Then place 2 water buckets there and there. Then get in your 2 pigs. You can use the same trick I showed in the chicken farm video for getting the pigs in, so placing down buttons here, then making them walk up a staircase. The pigs think that buttons are full blocks, so they'll just walk right over them and fall right in here. Then you can place fences above to stop you from falling in and the pigs from swimming out. But it's very hard for the pigs to swim out. They rarely do. They only swim out when you have more than 2 pigs stuck inside. But the fences are mainly there so you don't fall in, because if you do, that's a big problem for you, because you can't swim out either. So then you just want to repeat this as many times as you like. So, like that. Repeat it again and again. So the more times you do this, the more baby pigs you're going to spawn each harvest. Or, killing, or batch of pigs that you spawn then kill. So you can repeat this as much times as you want. I'm gonna do 5 so this video doesn't get too long. Or 6 if I'm feeling. But I think 5's a nice number to do that with. Forgot the glass panes. But yeah, this farm is easily modular. You can build it however big you want, however small you want. It's looking good. Okay, so I need 2 more, so I'll just build the outline of those at the same time, I guess. So now that we have that in, add the water buckets to finish it off. And we're done with like the little base unit. Now the one I have here is 6 pigs long, but you can make it as long as you want. You'll just have to do the water trench accordingly. So now dig 2 blocks down, then just dig a trench all the way to the end of the farm. So we made it to the end. Now place down 2 water buckets and see how far they flow. Now if they don't flow all the way, a simple trick you can do is to simply just, let's block the water off. If it doesn't flow all the way, first what you want to do if it doesn't flow all the way is note how many blocks it doesn't flow. So in my case it's 1, 2, 3, so it doesn't flow all the way for 3 blocks. So we can block that off. Then we can add 3 blocks, then put the water on top of those 3 blocks. It should flow all the way to the end. And it goes the exact amount you need. Oops. Drowning. Oh yeah, and if you do the trick where you elevate it, you might want to knock out some of these glass blocks on the bottom. And then just like that, I guess. I guess we're adding another area for the pigs to go in, I guess. Because I built the stream too far. So you want to be sure and not let that happen. But knock out some of these glass blocks down here. Like that, if you want. Because that'll help the baby pigs go on without getting drowned and shorten the length of time it takes for you to transport them to the kill chamber. Alright, so now that you have that in place, I forgot to actually add the pigs. That in place, let's move on over to this end right here, where you were digging the hole. So it ends right here, so you can make a little kill chamber area or whatever you'd like. Down here. So make it fall down, and then what's good about this one compared to the other ones where they have the lava kill chamber is that this one you can choose whether you want it to be lava killing the pigs or not lava. So the pork will be raw and you can trade it with the butcher. And the other bigger advantage is that since you do quite a bit of the killing manually, that's a disadvantage and an advantage. Because with the lava kill chamber, you can't tell when a pig is, even if there's one grown pig and one baby pig, you can't like selectively kill them. You have to either kill all of them or not kill them, which is a problem. So we'll add in our butcher here. Nope, we don't want that. You can't take a job. No. Now we have 2 butchers. That's just great. Okay, you die. Now everyone's running away. They all have to die. Just let me get a sword. Should speed things up by a lot. And a bed as well. Pink one, yay. Color really doesn't matter here, but hey. Alright, go to your... You know what? Yeah, don't have the smoker there yet. Put the smoker in front of you. Then try to put your villager down here and let him adjust to his trade profession. Okay, now you want to trade with him and see what he has. How does he already... Okay. Yeah. So right now he already has the rabbit meat. So if you want to change that, you can break the smoker, place it down again. Looks like he is locked. But in survival, this should work. Trade. Now he wants chicken. No, sir. No, just no. You just want to keep on doing this until you get the one you need. In my case, I'm killing the villagers, but in survival... Well, I'll be darned, he's over here. But in survival, you just break the smoker, then replace it. It's just taking a while. Finally. Beef. Chicken for that. So, we have one that's nice, I guess. He's giving us beef. Pork chops for that. So, yeah. Build a way out in survival, get some ladders. If you'd like, you could replace the roof of this with glass, so you can see how many pigs there are and if it's worth going in and killing them yet, or you want to wait a while. So now let's use the farm and see how much pork chops we get. So feed one pig, and then again. You can make this however long as you want. The longer you make it, it'll take longer to feed all the pigs, but it'll be easier. It's better than just cramming all the pigs in one area, because if you do that, then you can't tell if you fed all the pigs evenly. So this method maximizes the rates you get. And all the baby pigs should start falling in, slowly but surely. And there's a bit of XP orbs you can go around collecting if you really want them. So now let's all feed these baby pigs until they're all grown. And I accidentally made them, well, yeah. Oops, no, don't run away, don't run away. I have carrots. Okay, I think that should be enough pigs to just go and kill all of them. Oh no. So you can see it gave me quite a bit of pigs. Pork chop. Let's see how much emeralds we can get. One. Yeah, so we got unlucky and only one emerald. If only we had one more pork chop. Oh well. Because the amount of pork chops pigs drop is different. If you got looting 3 on your sword, and you're in luck. And you can use this with other animals as well. Cows and sheep as well. But for sheep, a wool farm is a lot more better. So now I'll show you how to do the kill chamber design, except with the lava coming in to kill the pigs. So you get cooked chicken. So for this, you're going to need a dispenser. cobblestone walls, or any type of wall you like, as long as it's not a fence. Hopper and a chest, obviously. Then you'll need a lava bucket. And an observer with a button. So first let's build the basic area of this first. So stick down 2 dispensers here. Glass the rest of them out. Add the chest with 2 hoppers going to it. Test it. Let's see. Yep, perfect. You actually only need 1 dispenser, to be honest. Put your lava bucket in the dispenser. Get an observer. And 1 button. So place your observer. Make it so that the face is looking on the opposite side of the dispenser. Place your button on the observer and we have a problem. Take out the lava bucket. So we have our thing inversed. So we should mind the bucket button. Okay. That's not supposed to happen. Okay, so basically I did this wrong. We're supposed to put in a lava bucket later on. So keep the lava bucket in your inventory, then add a button. Then put the lava bucket inside. Then cover the rest of this up. The tops as well. So yeah, now you have that. And then if you'd like, you could place the cobblestone wall down here and here. I'll show you why in a second. Let's see if the pigs have cooled down yet. Looks like they have. So now a baby pig should spawn in. Fall down here. Perfect. So now the walls here are so you can feed the pig until it grows up. Then you can hit this button right here. It should incinerate it with lava and make it die. And the pork chops from it will be collected and dropped in this chest right here for you to eat. So yeah, that's a second method if you want cooked pork chops. So yeah, thanks for watching this video and see you guys next time. Bye.